Where are we going today, Kevin?
Truck day. One of these are sold, so which one is sold and it's going to a new home. So we're just gonna get some photos, make sure everything's in working order before it goes to new owner.
Okay, Kevin, so we were supposed to be gone a few minutes ago, but we're not.
You broke the truck.
Yeah.
It's your fault. But when you don't drive stuff as much, things happen. So what I should have done, since the purple truck is kind of buried in here, I should have unhooked the battery, but it's been sitting in the garage and draining. So here we are, we're charging it right now and see if we can't get it started. If not, it looks like we're just driving the Indy truck and getting photos of that, but we really wanted to share both trucks with you, so we're giving it another minute or two. Should we try it?
Let's try it now, see how it goes.
Okay. Will it start?
Boy, that thing looks slick. Oh, taking 2 trucks.
know if I could get you to pose like on the hood, or if you could take your jacket off and get in the bed of the truck. We get some really cute photos.
I'm really good at taking directions, so if you want to get up there
and maybe show me what you are talking about.
I was thinking like a really good pose or something.
Like
you know what I'm talking about. You've done it.
Like a robot?
In the
pose?
calendar that
I look
you're
like a
in.
robot.
Remember
pose.
the calendar that you're in? The
Yeah,
fireman's calendar?
Yeah. Back when I was a fireman.
When you were a fireman.
Okay, apparently Kevin's still filming me, but we are done. There he is filming us. Trying to get it driving by nice and cool. Yeah, that's right, buddy. So it's gonna be awesome if I can get this home without getting any nicks or dings or scratches on it. Because Kevin would kill me, so.
I think we learned a few things today. What did we learn?
About life or about the cars?
About everything. You
That
did.
Kyle can drive that so well.
You did. I was actually impressed because I was looking in the mirror and I was like, oh no, is he gonna hit this bump? And you would dodge it.
Mm-hmm.
So you were actually semi-professional.
That's
so
right.
I was impressed.
Thanks.
I think the second thing, and you can get yourself on this as well, but we need a cameraman.
It might help.
We need 2 cameramen.
It might help. We do have a lot of kids.
I know, I tried to get one of mine to drive with me today, but we got baseball games every single day, so they went to rest before.
Gotcha.
But we need cameramen, so apply to opposing cylinders for camera. And I think the third thing is, watching this go down the road, it's different when you're driving it and you don't notice it as much, but when you see it going down the road and you see how cool it is, it's really cool. And how much attention did it actually get?
Oh man, I mean, we tried to stop to slow down so we could film each other.
I'm gonna trade. So when people were filming, or when we were driving together, what was the reaction?
Oh,
when
head
everybody
turn. I mean, people would just stop. We'd be trying to go around them or slow down, and then they would slow down with us. If we sped up, they would speed up. People sitting out in their yards. I mean, it's a head turner. It's really a gorgeous truck, and I've had a lot of fun with it. We both had a lot of fun with it. So we've done some cool stuff with it. Done the hood. Thank you, Jerry. The tips for the exhaust, decals. Thanks, Ralph, again for turning us on to the truck. But sad to see it go. Know it's going to a good home. Got a couple more days with it. But what do we do after that, Kevin?
We need something
4x4. I know it. That's what you were gonna say.
I'll go on a 4x4. You shop.
Okay.
And we'll buy something, but it can't be too nice, that we can drive up a gravel lane, that we can thrash, and maybe just beat it up. So find something for $5,000. That's your budget.
Well, we're gonna need some help because I'm not good at shopping. So if you know something, or you have a $5,000 four-wheel drive, big, could be a Jeep, could be
We'd
a
end up flipping it.
CJ7. I mean, if we get a 7, we'll be okay. Could be a truck, you know. I'm open.
So
It's gotta be cool.
So send us what you have for sale,
Probably don't want to do a bunch of stuff.
but no projects. We don't want to do anything.
Little project.
We don't want projects. Little projects turn into big projects. So we don't want something big. We want something that runs.
Yeah. We can't fix anything.
No.
So it needs to run and go down the road. Project, I mean, maybe we can do some enhancements or.
So this is probably our limit, is we're good at talking, but we're not that good at, we're not mechanics, right?
I'm a musician, not a mechanic.
So you should be good with your hands,
I am very good with my hands.
but you just can't fix
I
it.
should have knowledge yet.
Knowledge.
Yeah, I mean, I can turn a screw. I just can't. Maybe I don't know which screw to turn.
Yeah.
I think I have the knowledge, but I don't want to fix things anymore. And when I do work on stuff, my back hurts, my body hurts, and that's why we pay someone else to do it.
We want to make things look super clean and nice. We can detail stuff, right? We can do little things, but we don't want to do major work. So this is a long video, so we're going to end it here. Now, stay tuned. We have to take this truck Friday.
Yep, to our nation's capital, or our state's capital. Our
What is
state's
the nation's capital?
Our state's capital.
State's capital.
Yeah.
So we're going to take the truck to Columbus.
Not Washington.
Not Washington. We're going to take it to Columbus,
Not the district,
Ohio.
Not the District of Columbia.
Yeah, we're going to take it to Columbus, Ohio and deliver it. But everything is in good working condition. We probably have driven it more this week than we have the rest of the time.
Yeah, I mean,
We've only added a few miles, but I wanted to make sure before we drive 100 miles or so that everything is in good working condition and it is ready to go. And so we'll kind of dust it off and get it all ready to go to the new owner. So with that,
continued.
to be continued for Friday.
see ya.
It's time to go, heading on the road, dropping off the Indy truck. We have maybe 75 to 100 miles. We're heading to Columbus, Ohio to take this to a new owner. We'll see you on the road. Well, we're on the road, getting ready to get on the highway here. We got Kyle behind me in the normal car. It's always bittersweet. I know I've said that 1,000 times probably, but it's definitely bittersweet selling a vehicle. You kind of get attached to it. It's like, do I really want to sell it? Do I not? But this one's a pretty good truck. One of these days when I get one of these, I'm going to do a full suspension and everything, but it's not today. It's not on this one, but we're heading toward Columbus. So Columbus, Ohio, here we come. Well, we made it to Columbus. We're here. The truck did great. And what we didn't tell you is it's actually a celebrity buying the truck. So we should see him pulling up in his limousine. So he was brought down in his limo to buy the truck. So it's an undisclosed celebrity that is buying the truck. But let's take a quick look at the truck
And say our final goodbyes to it. A little dusty. Got a few bugs on the front, but no chips. That's good, just bugs. It's always scary. On to the next one, but we'll see our celebrity friend here soon.